Hey y'all, so I am back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by alipearlhair. They sent me this 13 by 4 loose deep wave unit and some goodies as well. I got some lashes. They gave me an elastic band. I got a scarf. They gave me an edge brush, a wrap, like whenever you're doing your milk. And then I also have a silk bag to put my unit in. They gave me a lot of stuff, okay? So let's get started. This unit is 180% density, and this is the curls that came inside. But I ended up doing like a kind of like a body wave type of vibe with the curls, but you do get a fair amount of frontal space for the most part. And I bleached the knots. I plucked slightly. I didn't really do too much because it was already kind of plucked for me. I'm gonna just smooth everything out. I decided to do a middle part at first, but then once I was installing, I was like, no, I need to do a side part. So yeah, I just styled it as a middle right here, but then again, I'm just gonna change it basically.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't Chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. Give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So I did pin curls all over, and this is what she's looking like. And now we're gonna go ahead and install this unit. It did fit from ear to ear. That was a plus. And this hair is very thick, y'all. So if y'all like thick hair like me, 180% density or above or higher is always gonna be my go-to. I love that. Now you could get away with 150% density when it comes down to curly units, because it's curly hair, it's gonna poof up. But as far as like straight hair, body wave hair, any type of texture besides like curly or kinky curly, I recommend always getting 180% density.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else will do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality.
Y'all, so once I was taking the pin curls down and I combed everything out, the hair just wasn't laying like how I wanted to lay. So I had to go in and tweak it. I did cut some layers into this unit because I just needed that oomph, you know, like I just wasn't getting the oomph that I wanted. And I did notice the roots are more thicker than the ends, so I guess that's why it didn't really fall like how I wanted it to fall. But nevertheless, it still came out cute once I did my cutting and layering. I did slight layers. I didn't do that much. So y'all see how it's kind of stiff? That's why layers are important, because it's just going to frame the face and it's just going to allow the hair to really, you know, come alive.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else will do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Right here is where I'm gonna frame my face and cut slight layers into the hair until I'm satisfied with the way it falls and flows. And you want to cut at an angle. You don't want to like just go up and down, like do a slight slant, I guess you could say. And always start off longer and then work your way up if you need to, but never start where you think it's gonna lay really, really well, because you can take away but you can't add hair back. Did it to both sides, so now my curls should really fall like how I want them to once I bump the hair a little bit more with my flat iron. And we're gonna see. Okay, y'all know I am not a fan of middle parts like that. I don't know if it's because of my head shape, but I don't know, I like side parts. I just love me a good side part, and that's what I ended up doing. So, and this lace really did take the bleach really, really well. So yeah, this is my cup of tea right here. I love me a good side part. I felt like it complemented the way I did the curls anyways. I'm gonna just let that foam wrap dry down and everything. Bump my hair, well, the bang one more time. I love me a good bang, y'all. I don't know where that piece of paper came from, but okay. And by the way, I always get questions about this flat iron. That's my Irresistible Me Diamond flat iron. And I'm gonna do my makeup off camera, cut the rest of these little baby hairs and whatnot, and take the pin curls down. And we are finished. It came out really cute, like super duper cute. And y'all know I do not do no lipstick, but I was feeling real vibrant today. So I was like, yeah, let's just put a color on. I love this bang though. This is super cute.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. You can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly.
Y'all, so we are done. This is the outcome. I'm glad I did go with the side part, and I'm glad I cut layers because it just gave it more body, more personality. But thank y'all so much for watching, and I will catch y'all